This is an antique Singer Model 27 with Sphinx decals. Serial number is B204221. And the machine's in pretty good condition. It's been gone over. And I'm just going to show you how well it stitches. Basically, I got 6 layers of denim. They were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. And it's a treadle machine. There's no boss or hub to mount a motor or a hand crank. So it is treadle only. Needs to be in the treadle cabinet. And I'm just going to spin it by finger because it's sitting in this base. This base is not included. It's only for demonstration purposes only. And there you can see it's got an equal stitch on both sides.